So I'm currently on my way to my dad's house to do that. I'm pretty familiar with how it is done, so this time I am going to be doing it on my own, but of course my dad is going to be there to help me in case of anything. So I do my oil change maybe about every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. My car is older, so I try to be on top of it, and I'm using it more than before, so it's important, things like that I'll try to be on top of. So yeah, I'll pick up when I get there. Alright guys, so I'm all done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll just leave my car running for a little bit just so that oil can get flowing, and until next time, bye.